Shamia just got hit by a car. Shamia got hit by a car on her bike today. I just got cut off because this lady, I'm sorry, I don't want to get the pronouns incorrectly. Some person just cut me at Dunkin' Donuts. It was very rude of them. Very much so. That's them right there. But yeah, but you know, we ain't gonna trip because we're on our way to Cancun. So, you know, they could be upset all they want about life. No? And we're not even going to Cancun. We're going to Tulum. We're not even going to Cancun. We're flying into Cancun. We're going to Tulum. Alright, well, that ain't us. That's them again. I just want to keep showing y'all though, because they're very miserable. Look at, just looking miserable. Alright, I'll see you guys on the plane. I could not sleep last night, like at all. Like, so I have like these extreme bags underneath my eyes because I couldn't sleep. I was literally up all night long. That was horrible. Excuse me, poor people. When me and Shamir boards, when we board Comfort Plus, we're gonna be like, excuse me, poor people. Straight to hell. Look at how vibrant Shamir's hair is. Yes, I am traveling with my shortest friend. I know what you all gonna say. Like, oh shit. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later because I don't spill my coffee. One time to the baby. So we are about an hour out, and I just want to show you guys what we're listening to. Not them spelling my name, missing mad letters. Missed mad letters. Just for us to go to Tulum. I'm starving. No. You see? Oh, Shamia!
Oh, that is nice. That is nice.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Go, shorty! And you know, we don't, what's it? You found the terrace? Like, look at, like, where's the terrace at? Oh yeah, we could definitely get some massages out here. This is our terrace. Ooh, we got a hammock. Oh yeah, it's fine. Ah! Bitch almost just hit me with her fucking bike. These people are crazy with these bikes out here. But they just had a whole roasted pig on the sidewalk, y'all. It's crazy. Crazy. Me and Shamia looking, we're on our side of the strip. Not like, oh, sorry guys. We're on our side of the strip, like the town side. Yeah. Oh, these. Shimmy.
Oh no, those are female tours.
Okay, so yeah, we're on our side of the strip looking for food. Guys, look at how cool my nigga tattoo here. Oh, I don't know. But guys, oh, this is what she was talking about. But guys, look at this director. Look at how cool this new feature is on my phone. Ah, somebody's gonna hit me.
It's a nice color.
Gracias. Bike brigade. So yeah, there's like a lot of like little cute restaurants. All right, this one's the last one we're gonna go to. This last one, right? All right.
Mezcal in Tulum, 400 rabbits. That's pair of tequila.
400 rabbits.
Oh my God. Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
What is this?
Tajin.
Oh,
chili,
tajin and
orange slice.
Oh, orange slice.
The recommendation of the mezcal, just test it just a little bit.
Okay,
not
test
like
it a little bit.
All in front. No, just
Oh, not a shot, just a sip.
Test it, exactly. And try a little bit of the orange and the chili. That's amazing.
Oh, okay. And then try a little bit of the orange. What you put this in there?
Yeah. Test it first the mezcal and after this one. That's amazing. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you. Oh my God. I ain't mad at it. What you feel, Shamina?
I ain't mad at it either.
Hola, thank you. All right, y'all. So basically, what's happening is we are at this place called Hotel Karen's. And the food's kind of trash. So I told Shamir that if we hurry up and leave here, we can go find a taco stand. And then we could get drinks at the bar at our hotel.
Anytime there's drinks involved, I am there. I don't care if I'm talking about drinks. I am here for drinks.
But it's like they ain't trying to let us leave because where's the check? Like, we want the check from now. Guys, I have so many bags underneath my eyes. I'm so tired. This is crazy. But yeah, where's the check? Where the fuck is this motherfucking check? I'm about to get up and leave. I'll bet you they bring the check. I'm so sick and tired of waiting for this fucking check. I wanna go find some fucking tacos. Some fucking tacos at the taco stand. That's what I want because this food was fucking trash. Stand got the tacos, the food is trash. I'm trying to figure out if they gon' bring the check. They won't bring the check. What the fuck they won't bring the check? No, I'm just kidding. But no, they are really taking a long time to bring the check. Like, fish. La playa. Dude, guys, look, I got this fucking bruise right here. I'm sorry, guys, look, I got this bruise right here. I don't know where it came from. But yeah, we want to. We're not going to the playa. Oh yeah, we're going to the pool. We're going to the pool. I don't know why I said La Playa. Look at this hair. Isn't it beautiful? Even though she just blocked my view.
Because you know I'm trying to put my nose ring in.
She lost her nose ring. We are at this super cool bar called Funky Burrito. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cute it is. That is good. I wish I had a straw though. I wish I had a straw. What time is it? don't take shots at all. Not ever.
We definitely don't take shots. I mean, I used to take a shot. Please.
Don't think I'm crazy, but I didn't bring foundation to match my tan skin, so I gotta try and keep my complexion as close as possible. So this is our view. What are you doing? Shamir with it. Got the Nigerian tunes bumping. I'm vlogging. You eating all by yourself? I don't even eat octopus. Good morning. Shamir and I are going to get on our bikes. We have the bikes for...
Because we're bike riding babes.
Because we're bike riding babes. We have bikes for another like 2 hours. So we're going to go and get some breakfast first. And then... yeah, breakfast and drinks. And then we're going to go and get some mimosa. What the fuck? We're gonna go get breakfast first, and then we're gonna go to the beach club. So we have reservations to the beach club at 12. There's no way we're gonna make it. So I'm going to push back the reservation to 1:30 for the beach club. And
oh, I have a reservation for the COVID test too.
oh yeah, you do. No, I'm doing the masseuse.
Yeah, but I have to make him go for the COVID test.
It's okay, but isn't that at the front desk too? All right, whatever. So then we're going to the beach club. So I'll see y'all on the bikes. Mia Shamir's wheels for the last 2 days. All right, come on, Shamir. You know we gotta return these. Shamir just got hit by a car. Shamir got hit by a car on her bike today. This motherfucker hit her while she was driving on her bike. Like, yo, like, I was like, what? Shamir, how do you feel?
My leg hurts a little bit, but I survived. My leg.
Fucking wild. And he didn't even stop. Nope. Can only guess. Yeah. Hola. How do you get to the beach club? Gracias. Oxtail taco.